Hello everyone, welcome to Cyberspace. I'm Tanvir. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video is about how to do perfect keyword research in Fiverr easily. Not only Fiverr, you can use this same strategy on other marketplaces, but you have to use this extension only in Fiverr. So in this video, I will show you Fiverr Quick View extension and how it use it and how to do perfect keyword research on Fiverr, and it makes your gig top ranked on Fiverr. So let's get started. First, you have to go to your browser, then write Fiverr Quick View Chrome extension. Okay, then click on second one, Quick View for Fiverr. Okay, I already have add this extension to my browser. So when you searched it, then you will see here right add to Chrome. Then you just click on add to Chrome, then click on extension and just pin it to your extension bar. Okay, then we then we'll go to Fiverr. Okay, here there are many categories here, so we just suppose we select digital marketing, then we suppose select SEM, search engine marketing. Okay, just see Fiverr Quick View is working and they are finding keywords. Here you can see many keywords each of the gigs. When you create your service on Fiverr, you can use these keywords for top ranked on Fiverr. So see you there are many keywords, SEM related keywords, search engine marketing related keywords. Here you can use it. Okay, then suppose the local SEO. You can use these same keywords on other marketplaces for top ranked. Okay, nice. That's very easy process to add this extension to your browser. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.